How to use green screen effect in NanoBanana AI. In this video, I will guide you on how to use the green screen effect in NanoBanana AI. Let's get started. First things first, let's go to any browser. I'm going to use the Chrome right over here. Let's tap on Chrome and go inside it. Once you're inside the Chrome, simply tap on the search bar and search for NanoBanana.ai. I already do have entered NanoBanana.ai earlier, so this is the link for the NanoBanana.ai. Let's go inside it. So once you tap on NanoBanana.ai, your website would look like this, and this is the original version of NanoBanana.ai. So make sure that you are in the real one. And after you're inside it, just log into your account. I have already logged into my account. Scroll down to the AI editor section, and this is the AI editor section, and here you will be seeing two options: image to image and text to image. For the green screen effect, select image to image. It's already selected, so let it be. Then scroll down, and there you can see an option called add image. Simply tap on it and choose the photo with the green screen background that you want to replace. I do have one right over here. Let's tap on it and tap on done. And once the photo is loaded, go to this main prompt section. This is one. And here, write a prompt describing how you want to replace the green screen. For example, replace the green screen with the bit scene, or change the green screen to the city skyline background. You can keep anything that you want in your green screen background. Let's write this one. And after writing your prompt, tap on generate now, which is right over here. Tap on it. The NanoBanana AI will process your request and replace the green screen with the background that you have specified. So I'm using the free version, and I wouldn't be able to show you the rest process, but this is the process. So once you have tapped on the generate now and the NanoBanana AI process your image, you will be seeing the result over here in the output gallery. And that's it. Using the green screen effect in NanoBanana AI is fast and easy. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.